So today we're gonna review some more for chapter 4. The test has been posted, okay? It's due Sunday night. Did anyone write up sample questions? Okay, so we have a couple, that's good. Close this door. Okay, is it Ava Melville?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Why don't you hit us with your examples?
All five.
Well, yeah,
Um,
one at a time.
Hair doesn't magically lose 4 inches all by itself within one day. It must be the case that my mom went to the hair salon yesterday.
Yeah, okay, so the, people, what do you think? Inductive or deductive?
Inductive cause and effect.
Inductive cause and effect, strong or weak?
Strong.
Yeah, unless you start arguing, she might not have gone with a salon, she might have cut her own hair. But one thing that you have to say, though, that you didn't really say, read it again.
Hair doesn't magically lose 4 inches all by itself within one day. It must be the case that my mom went to the hair salon yesterday.
Did you say that she had lost 4 inches? That actually is important, right? You have to say, my mom's hair is 4 inches shorter.
I guess I just
Assumed it, yeah. But, okay, good. Give me another one.
My dad is bald. Hence, my dad puts sunscreen on his head.
People, what do you think? It's certainly not deductive. You think it's deductive?
Can I say what I put?
Yeah.
I put by definition. My dad is bald.
Okay, does it follow from bald that you put sunscreen on your head?
Well, yeah, because
Not by definition. You don't read bald in the dictionary and say, and put sunscreen on their head.
yeah, I didn't really know what I was doing with that one.
Okay, so I don't know what that would be because it's too convoluted. Well, yeah.
Well, I
Okay.
mean, like when we say, yeah, I get it.
What?
I get it.
Okay. See,
given-
it's harder than you think to write these
Yeah,
up.
I know. I still wanted to write some though.
Yeah. No, that's fine.
Okay, this one. Given the law of conservation of energy, energy is neither created nor destroyed. We can make the assumption that nothing really dies.
Okay, people, what do you say?
Deductive from a scientific law and it's invalid.
Yes, that's what I would say. Is that what you have?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. That was good. You got another?
I have 2 cats and 1 golden retriever. My 2 cats are calmer than my golden retriever. All cats must be calmer than dogs.
Okay, good. I like that one. What do you say, people? Inductive generalization, strong or weak? Terribly weak. Do you have a golden retriever? They're the best.
Yeah.
Did I tell you about the alarm going off at our house?
Yeah, and then they came and they left a note that.
Yeah, that's not a guard dog, yeah, because all he wanted them to do is throw the ball into the pool for him. Yeah. You have more?
Yeah, this was really,
Fantastic.
no. If it rains, then my clothes will get wet. There are dark clouds in the sky, therefore my clothes will get wet.
What do you guys say, inductive or deductive?
I'm thinking of inductive gradation.
Yeah, strong or weak?
Weak.
Yeah, that's what you had? Okay, perfect. Do you have any more? Is that it? Okay, all right, who else had some? Yes, what's the name?
Dylan?
What is it? Is that Salt Lake City?
Yes, sir.
You from Utah?
No, we went for the basketball, the NCAA.
Oh, lived in Utah for a while. Wait, now, what's your name again? Dylan.
Solid.
All right, Dylan, what you got?
John eats a Pop-Tart or eggs every morning. He did not eat eggs, therefore John ate a Pop-Tart.
Like it, I like it. People?
Deductive based on argument, or
Deductive based on form and therefore necessarily valid. Okay, very good. Dylan?
Shania has had 2 Toyota Corollas with faulty AC, therefore all Corollas must have faulty AC.
Okay, people?
Inductive generalization.
Strong or weak?
Weak.
Yeah. Is that what you had? Okay.
If all mammals have fur and alligators are mammals, then alligators must have fur.
I would have to say deductive based on definition. No, it's not true. Wait, no. No,
Hold
no.
on. What is your intended answer?
I didn't know the answers.
Okay, then start over. Read this. All alligators have fur. Or wait, what was it?
If all mammals have fur and alligators are mammals, then alligators must have fur.
Oh.
It's
One more
not-
time.
it's not intended to
Just
be
one more
true.
time. I gotta hear the wording.
Oh, it's not intended.
Yeah, it's not intended to be true.
Yeah, that's why
I know.
said-
Go
okay.
ahead, read it again.
If all mammals have fur and alligators are mammals, then alligators must have fur.
So I would say deducted by virtue of its form and therefore valid. What did you say?
That makes sense to me.
Oh, yeah.
I
you
wrote
don't have
these
answers.
a while.
I would have said it a little bit differently.
Right.
You said
Well, mammals.
all mammals have fur, right? So I'm mentally translating that into if X is a mammal, then X has
Has fur.
fur. An alligator is a mammal, therefore it has fur. And actually, that's modus ponens. Right? Okay. All right. Good.
When it is nighttime, it is dark. It is not nighttime, therefore it's likely not nighttime. Wait, I meant to say it's not. I meant to say it's not dark. Yeah.
Okay, people? Inductive or deductive? Well,
Inductive.
what flavor?
We did begin.
You read it again.
Okay. With the correct word. When it is not. Wait. When it is nighttime, it is dark. It is not dark, and therefore it is likely not nighttime.
It says likely, so I'm leaning more inductive probability.
I don't like probability, I'd rather use the word prediction. And, read it one more time.
When it is nighttime, it is dark. It is not dark, therefore it's likely not nighttime.
It is not dark. Wait, you said it's not dark?
It's not dark.
And therefore it's likely it's what?
Not nighttime.
Oh, not. It's not dark. Strong? Well, wait. Is this deducted by virtue of its form?
I was thinking, but if it says
Yeah,
likely,
that's-
then it's like.
Well, okay, so look, okay, disregard the word likely, okay? Because what I said is, people can overstate the strength of their evidence or understate it, right? So likely is what they think, but we have to ask whether or not the evidence is a kind that's likely or it can guarantee it. Does everybody understand that? Okay. So one more time. No, I'm gonna take notes this time. So I can, okay, what?
When it is nighttime, it is dark.
Okay,
It is not
stop.
dark.
Stop right there. When it is nighttime, then dark. So to me, I'm translating that mentally as if it's nighttime, then it is dark. Okay? And then,
It is not dark.
okay,
therefore it is likely not nighttime.
Okay. To me, this is deductive by virtue of its form, although it's not as tight, doesn't fit into the form tightly, but I see it as a case of modus tollens and therefore necessarily valid, right? So, and that's why I do use the exact wording that would put it into the form. Does everybody understand that? I would have an if, then, right? To make it explicit. Okay, next up.
Of all the 250 weather forecasts I have seen, 225 of them have agreed on a large tornado hitting Indianapolis in March. Therefore, there is a large chance of a tornado hitting Indianapolis in March.
Of all the weathercasts, right? And did you mention how many you've seen?
250.
Yeah, 250, so it's not just one, right? Okay, people, what do you say? Inductive or deductive?
Inductive prediction, strong.
Yeah, I'm also thinking of another possible answer. Aren't they appealing to the authority of the news, right? So I think I would think that both of those are reasonable answers. Does everybody understand that? Okay, all right, you have another one?
That was 5.
That was 5? Okay, who else had some? Mohammed, did you bring some? How did I know? Let's see. Mohammed Khan, right?
Yes.
Okay, what you got?
If a person is a doctor, they must have a medical degree. Emma has a medical degree, therefore Emma is a doctor.
Hold on. Slowly.
If a person is a doctor, they must have a medical degree. Emma has a medical degree, therefore Emma is a doctor.
Oh, man.